Gail, what are you
Hey,
doing?
Andy.
Oh, hi. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm jamming to my Rockford Fosgate.
Okay, that's awesome, but you realize this is for your Harley, not for your headphones.
Oh, hey, what you talking about?
Oh, geez. Okay, come here. All right, so the Rockford Fosgate upgrade from the factory system on any of these Harleys, or pretty much anything, is amazing. The power, the clarity, you cannot believe it. It is shocking. Check this out.
Oh, whoa,
Yeah,
that's very cool.
right? It's like
Whoa,
yeah.
get out of town.
Right? Half price.
Nice. Click the link below to set up an appointment with one of our audio specialists. Now,
Well,
there you go. I'm
Oh.
going to go jam to more music.
all right.